And if you intend to buy a house under the affordable housing scheme, you will now have to pay a 15% tax relief. President Uhuru Kenyatta has today signed the law approving the relief in order to achieve the Big Four agenda of affordable housing. And the amendment to the Income Tax Act creates a new section that establishes an affordable housing relief of 15% and cannot exceed 108,000 shillings per year. The amendment to the Act also includes the introduction of a compensation tax for power producers and a power producing agreement.